American girls and American guys, we'll always stand up and salute. We'll always recognize when we see old glory flying.
So it's Thursday, May 10th.
So we can
About
sleep
4:20 in the morning.
at night when
About
we
to
lay down our heads.
head out, see if we can get on some gobbers here.
Justice will be served and the battle will rage. This big dog will fight when you rattle his cage. You'll be sorry that you mess with the U.S. of A.
So, it's 7 a.m. Been in the woods about 2 hours, 15 minutes. Here's a little recap. Went in this place, thought I had him roosted. Thought it was gonna be an easy kill. Wide open area. Had a good setup. Everything was going good. Until they decided not to come in. So, I keep going, try to be real quiet, sneak in. And about a quarter mile later, he's not gobbling anymore, I can't hear him. So I'm looking around. One gobbles across the river. So I make my way down to the river to find out he's gobbling right back to where I was going to set up in the first time. So, again, with my great knowledge, I take off running, try to be as quiet as possible, try to get out in front of this turkey. I get here, I think it's perfect, thinking there's no way that I spooked him. Well, I haven't heard him gobble in a while. So, and I wore a sweatshirt today because it was a little cold this morning. Easily have lost 4 pounds already. I have the sweat through the sweatshirt. My underwear is soaked. I have terrible swamp ass. Shoot. So, I'm sitting here, just getting ready to get going, get back into work, and had one gobbling. So I figured I'd give it one more try. Walk down the ridge about 100 yards. A little soft calls. I really thought he was gonna come in front of me, get a little better video, but probably didn't get too good videos, but I sure as hell wasn't gonna let him walk by, take off, but I'll show you guys the turkey in a second. It was probably about, 20 yard shot. Dusted him. That pumps you up. It's not the longest beard, but hey, it'll do for my first New York turkey. Decent little spurs here. That'll do. It's got a nice, decent body. Hey, all I'm gonna say is, head hanger strikes again. Let him hang. Well, I tell you what, he's not the biggest turkey, not the biggest tom in the whole bunch, but pretty exciting hunt. Freaking running all over these woods, trying to catch up to them. These birds are hard to hunt. They've been called a lot, you can tell. But lucky old faithful Mossberg 500 took care of it. Light work. I mean, he dropped like right in his tracks. Didn't even kick much, so. Oh. Been a good year so far, and now we're just gonna try to get some more videos of hunting and fishing, and just more videos of letting them hang.
'Cause we'll put a boot in your ass, it's the American way. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of his list. And the Statue of Liberty started shaking her fist. And the eagle will fly, and it's gonna be hell when you hear Mother Freedom start ringing her bell. And it'll feel like the whole wide world is raining down on you. Courtesy of the red, white, and blue.